The P1550 trouble code is commonly associated with a throttle control or engine management system problem. When this code is stored, the engine control module has detected an issue that may affect throttle response, power delivery, or overall engine performance. Drivers experiencing a P1550 code may notice a check engine light, sluggish acceleration, reduced engine power, or the vehicle entering limp mode. In some cases, throttle response may become inconsistent or delayed. The most common causes of a P1550 code include a faulty throttle body, damaged wiring, corroded electrical connectors, throttle position sensor failures, or issues within the engine control module itself. Low battery voltage can also contribute to throttle-related faults. Begin diagnosis by inspecting the throttle body for carbon buildup or mechanical issues. Check all related wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Test the throttle position sensors and verify proper operation. After repairs are completed, clear the code and perform a road test to confirm the issue has been resolved.